Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. This will be a short video. It's about how to deal with limited space in your shop, your garage, or wherever you do your handyman, handy lady stuff at. I've got numerous things like this drill press. I got this bench grinder. I've got several other pieces or tools that ordinarily would be mounted to a bench where they would be good and sturdy, but I just don't have that much bench space. So this video is about how to deal with limited bench space. Okay? What I do is on my devices, I cut me a piece of plywood a little bit larger than the bottom of the device, and I bolt the device, whatever it is, like this grinder, this drill press, I bolt them to that piece of plywood. And then I try to keep a cleaned off place on my workbench where I can set this thing, a couple of C-clamps. I got one here, I got one back here, and I mount that thing very securely to my workbench when I need to use it. The rest of the time it stays stored away where it's not taking up valuable bench space. Like I said, this is a short video about how to deal with limited shop space. I think this is a good space saving tip. If you like our tip, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. We got a lot of more stuff coming. We'll be talking more probably in the future anyway about this drill press and some hints and tips about using it, as well as other tools that we have. We hope to do some tool reviews, and just stay tuned. Thank you for visiting Do It Yourself with Wayne.